Alright, so this is Dell Inspiron 153525 as you can see, and today we'd like to install Windows in it. So this is Windows 11 thumb drive. I created it. It's so simple to do it. If you don't know how to create one, let me know. I will make another video for you. So once I connected it, I'm going to switch it off. Press and hold. Once it's switched off, we're going to press the power button. As soon as we press, we're going to come back to F2. Keep pressing it. Press the power button. Keep pressing like that. Alright, so as you can see here, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sections. We need to, so first thing on the main, you're going to find the details of it, nothing else. Then we're going to go to advanced option. From here, we need to check if there's anything need to change. Okay, set operation HCI, that's the only one option anyway. Rest everything has to be like that. Then let's go to security by pressing the right arrow. So here is, we can see at the bottom, which is called secure boot. We're going to hit enter and make sure secure boot is enabled, as you can see here, you see. And let's go to select secure boot mode, deploy boot, yes once, go back to boot option. From here, as you can see, it says UEFI boot, which is all fine. And then it says multiple things, but this is fine. We don't need to change anything. Now we're going to save this by pressing F10. And once we hit enter, it's going to restart, and we're going to keep pressing F12. From here, I can see this is my USB stick, which is that one. I'm going to hit enter. Right, so from here, I'm going to choose the United Kingdom for my case. You can choose whatever you would like. We're going to press next. Accept the terms and condition before you hit next. Now, here is the part. Before you delete anything, you need to make sure you backed up your data, because once you delete or any sort of changes here, you're going to lose the data. So be careful, do it at your own risk. I don't have any important data, so I'm going to delete every single partition just to create a single partition from the entire drive. And then I'm going to hit next. Once I hit next, then it's going to copy all the files and everything that is necessary to establish the actual operating system. Alright, so finally it took few restarts before we get back to the main page. It seems all fine. Now I need to update the drivers, and pretty much that's all to reinstall the Windows. And this is the policy that you can apply almost for any laptop or any desktop. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.